Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and getting the physical adapter ready. Plug the Lightning earphones into the proper Lightning to USB-C or OTG adapter, then connect it to your Android. Once done, unlock the phone and watch for an audio device notification. If you don't see one, open Sound Settings. You're doing this now to isolate the hardware path so Android can detect the earphones as a wired audio source rather than relying on Bluetooth handshakes. Once Android recognizes the adapter, you need to route audio correctly. Go to Sound Settings and choose the new output, listed as USB audio or the adapter's name, so media plays through the Lightning earphones. If audio is missing, toggle the USB audio routing option in Developer Settings or change the sample rate to match the earphones. Then play a short track and switch focus between apps. In some players, you must manually select the wired output. That confirms the OS and app are using the correct audio path. Finish by validating both playback and mic, record a voice note and speak normally, grant mic permission when asked. If audio is noisy or absent, make sure the Lightning connector is fully seated and free of lint, then restart the phone. You should also test the earphones with another device to isolate the problem. If issues persist, update Android system software and any adapter firmware. And remember the key troubleshooting tip: reseating the connector and rebooting often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.